Sayang. This one's a hard one. Luma na ba to? I've only seen the teasers and videos, and I've only talked to Bea about the scenes and how hard, like whatever she's doing seems really, really hard, and it's one of the roles I want to portray. Pero mas horror. Oh, my eggs look so good, you guys. How can I show you? It looks so good. Look at that. Yeah, they look so fluffy, ano? Yee! Italy? Oh, you're from Italy? Wow, I've never been. It'll be a dream to be able to go there. Okay, I think my eggs are actually alright. But the color talaga, it's not giving pag hindi brown eggs eh. Pag may mga taga-province, tapos gusto akong brown eggs, you guys. Cook me some brown eggs! Give me them brown eggs! Sorry. She's really hungry. Hi! Si Dad. I don't know if he's watching. Because I think parang busy ata siya. Or I'm not sure, but I'll be there. Gusto mo yung si Dad? Nagigets ka na when you guys say Dad. Obviously, it's Jai. Okay, I'm just waiting for these to cook. My eggs are cooked already. I'm gonna plate them lang. Wait. Malulungkot ako kasi meron akong nilalagay na parang seasoning sa eggs ko. I don't know if you've seen it on my video, and I was really sad kasi tinatry ko pa siya itipid. Ito yun. Wala na nga eh. It's from Vietnam. It's like this shrimp something. Wait. May ako maghugas. Gutom na ako. So, ubos na siya. Nalulungkot ako. But, siguro if I go back, simutin ko na siya. So sad. Okay. No more. As in, pinapapa ko lang siya. Pinatikim ko to kay Jaden and he really loved it. Just gonna clean my station. Because I don't like it when it's messy. Okay. My noodles, I think, are cooked. Complete kami. Okay, so here are my eggs. Let's taste it. Gutom na ako. Hold on. You can never go wrong with fluffy eggs with butter. I barely placed any salt. But this thing does the job. Okay. I think the noodles are good na. Patayin ko na. Lilipat ko lang siya sa container. Or kahit hindi na, lagay ko na lang siya sa table na. Walang naman yung kinain eh. You guys wanna see Bebo? Here. Hi, Bebo! Hi, hi! Hi, Bebo! Guys, super overweight niya. Hindi ko naman siya pinapakain ng sobrang dami. Like, sakto lang. But, he's so chubby na. I don't want him chubby na. Wait lang. Hanap ako na patungan! Ay, nandun na pala sa table. Pupunta ako later. Yes, I'm going later. Okay lang naman sa inyo. Ooh, my noodles look good. My eggs taste great. I'm having a beautiful Sunday. I hope you guys are having one too. Water. Okay. Wala akong gulay, iniinis ako. Ubus na kasing bell pepper ko. Hi, Gaya. Hi, Claire. Hi, Jo. Joe. Damn. These names. Nandito rin yung this could be my dessert. Cinnabon. Bigay ng fans nung nag-yogarino kami. Labas ko lang. Okay. I shall get my bowl pala. Paano kakain noodles kung wala akong bowl? And I need a spoon full of sugar. Medicine go down. Okay, we gotta sandok for the soup. Good luck with. Oh my gosh, I have an exam. Kill it. You prepare well para you'll do well. I believe in you. Namamansin naman ako, depende lang. Andrea. Ako, depende lang. Andrea. Paiyakin mo na naman ako. Eme, I miss you. I was so happy to see you guys. Kaya nila kay. Kasi parang, it's been so long. It's been so long that I haven't seen your face. Try to be strong. Sorry. I just had to. Lag na naman. I'm sorry. I'm lagging. Just let me eat. Okay. So this is my food. Eggs are eggsing. Let me get some noodles for us. Pumunta lang ako sa sari-sari kanina kasi gugutom ako. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Galing ako simbahan. So nag-drive ako papuntang oh my God! Sorry, I did not mean to use his name in vain. Wait. Let's get some soup. Who's going to August 16? Who's gonna help me cheer for Jai? Hindi lang naman si Jai, for the whole university. University team. Mamaya, pupunta kayo. If you see me, say hi. I'll be there later. So this is, I guess, my brunch. You want? Kain ka. Look, that looks so fluffy. Fluffy eggs for days. Alam ko kompleto kami. Ang layo ah. Kapit ko kayo. You guys are excited for the last book? Our taping so far has been great. Masaya yung taping. Hindi ko in-expect na it would be fun. I was so scared about doing heavy scenes. It was fun. Of course, I'll talk more about it on the 29th. So, please come. September 5, airing. Oh my gosh, Andrea, you're coming? Okay. Kung ayaw nyo umiyak, huwag nyo panoorin. Walang capsicum, ubos na. Alam ko kompleto po kami. Hi. Who? Who do I say hi to? Hi, sis. Happy birthday, Alisa. Glyza? Happy birthday, Glyza. Ang tagal ng oye. Tapos pag nandyan na, nagko-comment kayo na, di pa kami ready. Tapos pag matagal naman, ang tagal. Nalilito na rin ako. Hindi ko pa naubos yung cup. Ano ba yun? Chocolate? Hindi pa po. Si-share ko pa yun. Kasi I can't do sweets too much. For 15? Sige. Oh, Fritz! Oh my gosh, my twin. Kain. Hanika, happy birthday. What? Ang bilis ng comments. Nahirapan ako. Hi, Linda. Isang blade. Gaya, ano? Hindi ko gets. Gaya! Kanina pa ako nag-hi sa'yo, Hindi mo ba narinig? Or nag-lag ako? Siguro na. See you with the manoks. Yes. Di ba sinama ko kayo nung niluto ko siya as adobo? Ano? Ay, the comments are so fast. I can't read. Sometimes talaga. Happy birthday, Martina. Happy birthday, Martina. Happy birthday, Kai Kai. KK. KK? Kai Kai. I don't know. Just don't get mad at me if I get the names wrong. I'm bad at it. Wait, I'm getting more noodles. Oh my goodness. Kakalat ako, guys! Ay go, Nicole. She is makalat. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Punasan ko na lang mamaya. Maybe I don't. Kylie from Zamboanga City. Hello. Hi, Beatrice. Hi. Hi, Clairish. Tama ba? Eunice, hello. Good luck, Gracious, and Ira. Ira. Sorry, ang bilis eh. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Jill. I want to go to Cebu. How I wish. Hopefully, makapunta ako before the year ends. Because right now, our schedules are just packed. May pasok ka sa 29. I think, okay lang yan. That's okay. Thank you, Clairish. Isang motivation sa mga nahihirapan sa ACADS. How can I say, don't be stressed. and you won't feel stressed if you prepare. So, if I were you, mag-review ka na, mag-prepare ka na, para pag andyan yung exam, hindi ka kinakabahan. I mean, okay lang kabahan, but hindi ka masyado kakabahan. Yeah. It's better to over-prepare. Always. In anything you do. Sabi nila, depende actually. Kasi pagluluto, mahirap naman pag sumobra. Pag ingredients. Kung mag-over-prepare ka, sayang yung pagkain. Mas okay yung onte, tapos dadagdagan. Pero pagdating sa pag-aaral, I think it's better to over-prepare and be confident. It's my brunch, I think. Late na tapos yung misa eh. Also, guys, batiin nyo naman yung mga grandparents nyo. Your grandparents, I think today is Grandparents' Day. Akin kasi, isa lang grandparent ko, si nanay. Umalis na agad ng bahay, hindi ko siya naabutan. But, show them your love. Hug them. Hi, Ren. Hi, Ren. Yes, Grandparents' Day today. So, guys, extend my love and gratitude to your grandparents. Mahalin nyo, i-date nyo. Today is Sunday. I-date nyo. Pagluto nyo. Tulungan nyo. Ang tagal na nila in this earth, and all they want, of course, is to feel appreciated and loved. So, let them feel it. Hi, Dins. From Indonesia. Hi. I miss Indo. I need to go back to Indonesia. How is it there? I think the last thing I heard was, is Jakarta drowning? I hope you're all okay. Ano? May mga questions about... Nico gets yung question. Sorry, there's like questions I don't understand. Jermaine? Hi, Jermaine from Bicol. I wanna go to Bicol. I wanna go to Cebu. I wanna go to Bicol, Indonesia. I wanna go all your places, y'all. No idea. I don't understand. What is that? Tinanggal ko ba yung what? Hindi ko alam. I don't know what that word is. Joel, hi. Waiting sa Oye. Thank you for waiting. And I hope you guys like it when it's out. If I were you, basahin niyo yung book para pag lumabas, may idea na kayo. Or reread. Kahit yung start lang, para lang ma-feel nyo. Bilang pag lumabas yung first ep, pwede nyo akong itag or what about what you feel about it compared to like, of course, iba yung adaptation sa book. Hindi naman namin mapo-perfect yan, but we're doing our best. Hindi namin mapo-perfect yan kasi fiction man yarn. Parang ang hirap simutin ng noodles lagi, no? Nasa ilalim lagi yung mga... Maya na si Motim. Maya na. I miss you too. Double sakit. Damay-damay. Ako nga, ginagawa ko siya eh. Ako lang mahihirapan. Kami lang yung mahihirapan. Charet. I wanna go camping. I think I love camping. Alam mo ba, yung cart ko, punong-puno ng camping na bagay. Siguro magkano na inabot. Never ko check out kasi mahal. Second, hindi naman ako makakapag-camp anytime soon. Or I might with my friends. Yeah. I might. Or I might go hiking. I know my friends want to go hiking. Di pa po ako nag-attend ng concert ni Bert. Mamaya pa lang. But so far, sa mga nakikita ko, at ang nakita ko lang, nakakatawa. Kasi yung nakita ko pang clip, ayoko ma-spoil. I'm watching today. Pero, sobrang natuwa ako kasi ang na-watch ko na clip was Bea doing her roles for LOL. Lul. Sobrang nakakatawa. Sabi kong galing ni Bea. We talked about it nung nag-shoot kami recently. Galing talaga ni Miss Bea. Bea! Okay. Busog na ako. Thank you! Guys, yung mga mall show kasi, I don't know yung mga finalized. Because sometimes, binubook nila, tapos maka-cancel. Kami ha. Kasi may tatama siya sa taping. May galit yung pimple ko. Ala, nagkakalat ako. Wait lang. Yeah, I'm gonna get a drink. Wag na mahirapan. Guys, I feel very dehydrated, so not sponsored, but just having Pocari. Hi, Lorraine. Eksena namin ni Mother Yayo. Mother Yayo talaga. She is the sweetest. I love her. Like, her personality, she could really be my mother in real life. Parang magkaulang-galing kami ni Miss Yayo. Ba yan? Bata. Hindi ko tinitinidor yung sabaw. May noodles pa kasi. Anong pa nga dito? Ayan. Just don't know how I'll eat it because they're all like grinded and stuff. Like, are you supposed to eat these little pieces? You just eat it from the sandok. Ba't ako magsuspoon? Noodles nga hinahanap ko eh. Kung magsabaw, edi iinamin ko lang ganon. Hindi na para. Ayoko na mag-noodles. Nag-noodles na ako. But I do like pancit canton. Okay. It's bad. Those are preservatives. I really hope that we get to shoot in Paris. I don't know. I can't say anything. I have nothing. Birthday from Cagayan. Shane, happy birthday. Happy birthday, ako. Belated. Thank you. Not Mimi, my role. I hope magawa namin yung Paris. Kung lumabas yung show at supportahan nyo, panoorin sa Viva One because that is the only place where you should be watching. Maybe we can manifest a Paris. And of course, we need all your help and support. Sharing and everything. Kung kaya nyo habang nanonood, reaction videos of the episode, the first episode. Ah! Kasi nabasa nyo naman yung libro, di ba? I mean, most of you have. That's why you guys are excited. And you know what's gonna happen on the first episode? Want me to sing? Sure. I need to wash the dishes lang. And lobat na ako. Okay, just let me calm down for a while. Hold on. Okay. Busog na ako. Parang I don't think I can eat the cinnamon, but it looks really good. Should I? I should. I'm so busog though, but sige, just one. Or a bite. This is parang maliliit siya, so I think I can take one. Ayaw mo talaga magpabukas. Hindi man siya magpakain. Hindi na lang ko taman. Hindi na kumugukod sa taong kusong mo tagumpay. Kung di-kyo, huwag na tayo pagsanay. Ay nala, ay naku, halika, pero province ko, di nilang Manila, born and raised, but my parents are from Cebu and Leyte. So I know a little bit. Religion, I'm Catholic. She's a Roman Catholic. I just came from church. Hi, Carl. Hi, Amy. All right. I see a tiny piece. Let's do the tiny piece because I'm so busog. Okay, just one whole bite, I guess. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, I might go later. Hindi ako nakapanood ng day 1. Punta ako ngayon. Saka free na free. Punta rin ako 1 and 2. Concert ko yarn. For good with Aubrey? Oh my God, that would be great. Aralin nga namin. I have been changed for good. You ask forgiveness. Ate, ilang taon ka na? Kasi si Aubrey kalatang 28. 16. Ulit-ulit tayo. Yes, I will be watching Wilbert's concert later. I think. Kasi, alam ko, nag-message si Bert kung tutuloy ako. And I said, tutuloy. And, yun! Undo, manghinay-hinay na langkot palayo. Hinay-hinay lang ay basi pa di ay napsan ako ni mo. Pero ate ka. Guys, yung OST secret muna siya. Hindi para i-release ngayon. Gaantay kayo, di ba? I know, it's frustrating waiting and waiting and waiting. I apologize, but what can we do? Good things take time. Love takes time to heal and hurting so much. Can't you see that I was blind? Gugas tayo. To let you go someday in time. Love takes time. I don't wanna be here. I don't wanna be here alone. Yes, ako yung kaibigan. USA. Can't you see that I was blind to let you go? Hey. Trentahin na? Yes. Is there a problem? See, ang dami pa niyang noodles. But it's like the itsy bits. So maybe I could just... Hi, Angelica. Bakit? Anong pasalamat ako? Ba't ako papasalamat? Hindi maganda boses ko dati. I just... Nagpa-train ako. Sabi ko nga, hindi ako, hindi ako Michael Jordan. I'm a Kobe Bryant. You know why? Because I trained. I wasn't born. Sorry kung lagi akong galit, Pagkatao ko lang siya. Hindi ko na gagamitin ng hard. Soft na. Kaso kailangan ko gamitin ng hard kasi may mga tumigas. September 5, release date. Just a chance to win your heart. You could set the bar beyond the stars. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. Ain't no mountain you could point to I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. Nothing I won't do, I'll risk it all for you. Hold your hand and call you mine, till the end of time. I'll do anything you ask me to. I will walk through the fire just to be by your side. If your heart's in line, you can take mine. 10% na lang yung phone ko. Patapos na ako. Wait lang. It's crazy, but it's true. Nothing else. I'll risk it all for you. Guys, di ako nanood kahapon kay Wilbert. Di ako nanood, so I don't know anything. Parang may ulap sa aking mga aking nadarama. At pag-ising ay maghawakan mo. Mamaya tayo ako ay iduyan mo. Ang bisig mo'y unan ko. Dahan-dahan kumakampay habang nakadang. Grandparents, your lolas, lolos, hug them, make them feel loved and appreciated. And hopefully, I'll see you either later, kung nandun kayo, or on the 29th. Okay? Bye-bye. I love you guys. Thank you for joining me. Bye! Have a blessed Sunday!